In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bad reviews from Airbnb. If you've received a negative review and believe it crosses the line, the first thing to understand is that Airbnb does not remove reviews simply because they are unfavorable. A review usually needs to violate Airbnb's review policy in some way, so before you report anything, start by checking the content of the review carefully. Look for specific issues such as false or misleading information, harassment, threats, or hate speech. You should also watch for extortion, like a guest demanding money, refunds, or special treatment in exchange for a better review. Reviews that contain irrelevant content unrelated to the stay can also be a problem. Another important issue is whether the review includes personal or confidential information, since that may also violate Airbnb's rules. Once you've reviewed the policy and identified a possible violation, the next step is to gather your evidence. This part is very important because the stronger your documentation is, the easier it will be to explain your case. Collect screenshots of Airbnb messages, along with any photos or videos related to the stay. You'll also want your reservation details ready, plus any additional proof that shows the review goes against Airbnb's policies. Try to keep everything organized so you can submit it quickly and clearly. After that, log into your Airbnb account, either on the website or in the app. Go to your profile, then open the review section, find the review you want removed, and click the three dots next to it. From there, select Report Review. Airbnb will ask you to choose the reason for the report, so pick the option that best matches the policy violation and include your supporting evidence. Be as clear and factual as possible when describing the issue. If the review clearly violates Airbnb's policies, the next move is to contact Airbnb support directly. When you do, explain which policy you believe was violated, why the review should be removed, and what evidence supports your request. Keeping your explanation concise, professional, and focused on policy violations can make your request easier for the support team to assess. Once your report has been submitted, the final step is to wait for Airbnb's decision. Airbnb will review the information and determine whether the review breaks its policies. If it does, the review may be removed.